Hey everyone, Desiree here. So it is another Happy Mail day. I just went to my mailbox and found a package here, which I'm very excited about. Now I know if you saw my video yesterday, you saw me unbox a B6 Moterm that I had just received. And I think I mentioned in that video that I also purchased an A5 Moterm from the Buy Sell Trade group on Facebook, and I bought that a couple days ago and it just arrived today, so I thought it would be fun to go ahead and do an opening, unboxing, whatever. Now this was in my mailbox and it was kind of bent in there, so I'm praying that my mail lady or mailman did not smash it in there, because you know, they just kind of seem to be a little careless nowadays. Oh, but here we go. Okay. Very nice. So this is an A5 Moterm notebook cover, and it's got some of the packing material on it here. But the girl I bought it from on Facebook, she said, you know, she just doesn't use this size. I guess she did use this size at one point, but then she decided not to. And it's just as beautiful as the B6, and I really like that this is black. It seems to be in perfect condition. I feel something in here, a little something. But anyways, I am excited to get this set up because I also have an A5 Stalogy, and I've been unable to find a cover for it. I do have a cover from Lauren Phelps Designs on the way, but it's just the clear cover. But I really wanted a Moterm cover. And this is beautiful, very soft, just like the B6. I really like the color and the quality. No complaints. Very, very happy. And then this one also has the back pocket. So this is going to be fun to get set up and to move into. Now I'm not sure if I'm going to be using my A5 Stalogy just yet. I actually purchased the A5 Stalogy about, I think I purchased it around Christmas time of last year. So not, you know, too long ago. But I haven't even used it yet because I wasn't sure if I was going to use it as a planner, or if I was going to use it as a notebook, or what I was going to use it for. So, but it's nice to have the cover for when I am ready for it. So, that's it. It's just a quick and easy video today. If you have an A5 Moterm cover, how do you like it? And if you have a video showing how you have it set up, please drop the link down in the comments below, because I would love to see. And actually, for any Moterm setup, B6, A5, A6 also, because I know they come in several different sizes. So if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments below. And if you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so, because I do have a lot more videos to come. All right, everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I will definitely see you in the next video. Bye.